Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. National Water Commission Acting Corporate Public Relations Manager Delano Williams says the Commission is pledging to improve customer service. NWC receives approximately 50,000 customer interactions monthly, comprising both complaints and service requests, Williams said, identifying high bills, leaks, and supply disruptions as the most common concerns. He assured customers that the NWC has stringent verification procedures for high readings. Williams gave the pledge during an online discussion session on Tuesday, March 11, facilitated by the Office of Utilities Regulation to address water bills and service complaints. Customers experiencing billing anomalies or service disruptions are encouraged to contact the NWC at 888-225-5692 or visit its website for assistance. President of the Young Entrepreneurs Association of Jamaica, Cordell Williams Graham, tells RJR News that the members of the MSME sector must be given a seat on the new committee established to examine the feasibility of establishment of a micro stock exchange. It is anticipated that $10 to $50 million will be raised for each company listed on the micro stock exchange. Finance Minister Favour Williams, who announced the initiative last week, said the committee would comprise representatives of the Ministry of Finance, Jamaica Stock Exchange, Security Dealers Association, PSOJ, as well as a legal fraternity. For the trading period ending March 17, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Toll road provider Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 8,759,229 units traded, representing 36.24% of market sales volume. Online education provider One-on-One Educational Services Limited with 2,574,595 units traded, representing 10.65% of market sales volume. Alternative energy provider Wigton Energy Limited with 2,311,967 units traded, represented 9.57% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On March 17, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $73.28 million purchased and US $58.05 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.42 per dollar, selling the US at $157.47 and buying the US at $156.05. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders 73 cents per transaction, with selling at $110.03 and buying at $109.30. The British pound yielded Forex traders $2.64 in profit, with selling at $201.03 and buying at $198.39. For our credit report tip of the day, here's a few ways that bankruptcy can help you regain control of your financial life and position yourself for success over the next 7 years. First, debt discharge clears the slate. When you declare bankruptcy in Jamaica, a significant portion of your unsecured debt, such as personal loans, credit cards, and unpaid bills, may be discharged. This means that you are no longer legally obligated to repay those debts, giving you a financial reset. Second, protection from creditors and lawsuits. Once you file for bankruptcy, an automatic stay is placed on your debts. This prevents creditors from harassing you, garnishing your wages, or taking legal action against you. It gives you breathing room for the opportunity to create a structured plan for rebuilding. And that was today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.